In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Wix to Wix Studio. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to go to your Wix website. So as you can see, I'm in my Wix dashboard. Now I'm just going to go to the next tab that I created. So can you transfer your Wix website to Wix Studio? So if your site was originally created using the Wix editor, it is not possible to migrate it to the Studio editor. So as you can see right here, I have my site. So I originally created this using the Wix website editor. It's right here. As you can see, I have the Wix website editor running right now. So let's just wait for it to load. So right here. So as you can see, unfortunately, if your site was created using the Wix editor, as said here, it's not possible to migrate it. So if you want to transfer your Wix to Wix Studio, you want to create a new website, but using the Studio editor. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.